speed app. So I started it last year, after finishing my MS exams. So I took your 1 month course, or it was present at that time. So I gave as much as possible tests that were possible. So I gave around 10 to 15 tests, and in all of them I was scoring a good marks. So she advised me for using speed. She said it was very exam oriented, and you don't have to study everything. They focus on main areas and main topics. So I listened to her and I joined speed at that time. So lastly but not the least, the faculty of speed and the apps, which helped me through it, sir.
So I bring in all the wishes and greetings on behalf of all the faculty members of Speed Medical Institute and Institute of Speed to Dr. Prashant Gautam for scoring a topmost rank in NEET SS in MCS surgical group of 247. Congratulations to you, doctor.
Thank you so much, sir.
So it is great that you could share your valuable time to share your experiences with us and with the students. Thank you very much for that.
Yes, thank you, sir.
So can we know your brief background history from where you started till date, what all you have done?
Uh, so I started my MBBS from RUHS College of Medical Sciences, Jaipur. I'm a resident of Jaipur only. So then I did my post-graduation from SMS Medical College, Jaipur. So currently I was working as senior resident at Government Medical College, Kota, and now I'm working as senior resident at SMS Medical College, Jaipur only.
Excellent. Fantastic. Great
Yes, sir.
accomplishment and great journey and beautifully done. Now, can I get to know from you what is the super specialty that you are interested in pursuing?
Sir, I was thinking about surgical oncology, uh, but I was interested in neurosurgery, so I'm sort of confused. What I actually want? So I'm thinking about both,
So both
which
either
one?
oncology or neurology, neurosurgery.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Excellent, excellent. Okay, doctor, can we know from you that what was your preparation strategy? What all you did to achieve a topmost rank like this today?
Uh, so my main So when I started using Speed app, so I started it last year, after finishing my MS exams. So I took a 1 month uh, your 1 month course, or it was present at that time. So I gave as much as possible tests that were possible. So I gave around 10 to 15 tests, and in all of them I was scoring a good marks. So but in the main exam I didn't perform well.
Okay,
So I had to repeat the year.
okay.
So this time, so what I did was I again did the same test. I reviewed them again, and I didn't increase the amount of content I was studying. I just stayed on the same things, the basics. I studied some Bailey and Sabiston, and I just reviewed the tests I had given earlier. So questions and questions. This was my main strategy, and
MCQ,
not
language of
studying too
MCQ.
much. Yes, sir.
Language of MCQ.
Yes, sir. The language of MCQ.
Good, 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 good. So, so your preparation full time or part time? Can you share something on the duration?
So my preparation was part-time. So because I had my wedding on 4th of December, so I
Wow.
was so I didn't had much time. Earlier I was preparing for it.
Okay.
Uh, yes, sir.
So you have to prepare
So
for your life and for exam, right?
yes, sir. Both things at the same time.
Very nice, very
Yes,
nice.
sir.
Both good things happen same time.
Yes, sir. Both things happened at the same time.
Good, good, good. You're a lucky guy.
Thank you so much, sir.
Yes.
Yes,
Now,
sir.
how many number of questions you answered in this exam?
So I attempted 149 questions.
Okay. Can you share
So
something
but
on this paper?
so when I started giving the paper, it seemed like it was an tough paper. In the section A, it seemed quite tough. So when I went to sections 2 and 3, so those sections were comparatively easy. But during the exam, I was sure about some questions, but some options felt tricky, so I changed my answer. I had changed answer for 5 questions, and all 5 of them were wrong. So
Okay.
I shouldn't have changed them. Could have scored a better rank than this, but I'm happy with it.
Okay. Okay. So it happens.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Good, good, good. So how you joined Speed? Who introduced Speed to you? What was your experience with Speed to this exam?
So my friend who did her medicine from the same college from SMS, so she was using speed. She gave the exam and she got selected in DM neurology. So she advised me for using speed. She said it was very exam oriented and you don't have to study everything. They focus on main areas and main topics. So I listened to her and I joined speed at that time. So.
So did it
There were
work?
many platforms here, but she said everything at other platforms they were new and they were giving too much of content, which was not actually too helpful for the exam. So I listened to her.
It's good that your friend helped you
Yes,
and
sir.
it worked for you. Great.
Yes, sir.
So, what would be your advice for the future aspirants?
So I stick to the basics, follow Bailey and Sebastian, and so the questions are the key. The more you practice, the more you can, more better and you can achieve, sir.
What was about your preparation for 22nd edition of Subsystem that came new just before the exam?
So I was sure that I won't be able to do that 22nd edition. I won't be able to read it. And I received a PDF from somewhere which had updated something, which had updates from 22nd edition, but I didn't actually read it. I just went through it from above and I saw that there were not many changes. But the changes that there were, I didn't feel like I had to remember them all. So I didn't actually crammed it up or anything, sir.
Great. So, time to thank on whom all you want to thank that they helped you from day one till this in the career.
So my parents and my wife, even at after my our marriage, she waited for us. We didn't go for any other place to travel and everything. And so, lastly but not the least, the faculty of speed and the apps, which helped me through it, sir.
Great. So now I think you have success right now be sitting before you. I think now you have time to travel and spend your time and also successful time. And uh,
Yes, sir.
and and once your college and the counseling is over, kindly let us know so that we like to hear from you which specialty that you have taken and where you have
Oh,
taken.
okay, sir. Sure, sir.
Wish you all the best and all the success for a great career ahead. Best wishes to you, Dr. Prashant.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.